guys, welcome to DevDom. In today's video, we are going to learn about the exception handling. Before learning the exception handling, we will see what is an exception. So exception is an unexpected event that occurs during the program execution that disturbs the normal flow of the instruction. So the exception is nothing but the unwanted, unexpected, or abnormal situation that occurs at the runtime. So let's see the examples. Trying to divide by 0. So if you are trying a number to divide by 0, then we will get an exception. So next is accessing the file that does not exist. So if you are trying to access a file that does not exist in your system, then we will get an exception. So next example can be running out of memory. So if you are running a heavy program and you does not have any space in your system, so we will get an exception as running out of memory. Let's see a real life example. If you are working on some project and the project is almost 90% done, so let's say suddenly the light gets turned off and your computer gets shut down and you have not saved the file, or the project file you have not saved. So this can be an exception. Okay, so this is the unwanted or unexpected situation. To handle this kind of exception, so we use the exception handling. Let's see why we need an exception handling. So first point is prevent crashes. That is, instead of the program stopping abruptly, we can handle the error. Next point is maintains program flow. That is, we can decide what to do when error occurs. So we can decide what message we have to send to the user if an user gets an error, and we can maintain the flow of our program through this. So next point is better error messages. So that is, we can provide helpful information about what went wrong. In exception handling, we can provide an user friendly messages, okay, through which the user can understand in which part of our program the error has been occurred, and we can give the helpful information to our user. Okay, so let's see what is an exception handling. So exception handling is like having a backup plan when something unexpected happens in your program, and it is a way to deal with the error gracefully instead of letting your program crash. So exception handling is basically we have a backup plan or an alternate resource through which we can handle the exception. Continue with our previous real life example. So let's say if we have the feature of autosave, okay, then our file will not be gets deleted because we have a feature of autosave, and as we do some update in our project, then the project has been saved automatically, so no need to worry about it. And this how we can handle the exception, and the exception handling handles the error very efficiently. So let's say the user is filling a form and suppose he wants to fill an number. Okay, in the dialog box the user is entering the string characters. Usually the numbers are in integer format, and that user is entering an string value in the phone number dialog box. Then the user will get an error that please enter a number, or please enter a number only. Okay, like this. So this way we can handle the exception by giving the user friendly messages to the user. This is all about the exception handling. So thank you for watching this video.